Welcome to our channel Nature Beauty Craze. The wardrobe to natural beauty tips. Are you worried about your weight gain? Here is our top 3 ways on how to lose weight fast with sabja seeds. Sabja seeds are also known as faluda seeds. Basil seeds or tukmaria seeds and are a powerhouse of nutrition. It is packed with immunity-boosting properties. Sabja seeds are wonderful in promoting weight loss. They are rich in fiber and protein. If we consume sabja seeds, they keep us fuller for a long period of time, thus making it an ideal for weight loss. Consuming 1 tablespoon of soaked sabja seeds daily will help be fuller for a longer period of time. It will prevent us from food craving. Top 3 ways to use basil seeds. Come on, start your weight loss journey. Here is our tip number 1. Basil seeds weight loss drink. Soaked sabja seeds 1 tablespoon low-fat milk 1/2 cup. Gulkand 1 tablespoon. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soaked sabja seeds, 1/2 cup low-fat milk and 1 tablespoon gulkand. Mix everything together, and your wonderful weight loss drink is ready. Don't miss our tip number 2. Fruit dressing. Soaked sabja seeds 1 tablespoon. Any cut fruits, your choice. Take cut fruits in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soaked sabja seeds and mix well. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional. Take this as an alternative to fried snacks or junk foods. Last but not the least, here comes our tip number 3. Basil seeds fat cutter drink. Soaked sabja seeds 1 tablespoon honey 1 tablespoon lemon juice 1/2 tablespoon. Take a cup of water either room temperature or lukewarm, add 1 tablespoon of soaked sabja seeds to it. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Finally add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix everything well. Your fat cutter drink is ready. Follow the above steps. You will be amazed to find yourself lose weight naturally. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Happiness is having natural beauty. With our channel Nature Beauty Craze, you too can.